What's up folks, my name is Felix. Welcome back to this short update today on ARK Finance. As you can already see in the background, the ARK price is sitting at 78 cents. So we went down over the last couple hours, especially over the last 24 hours, we are down 21%. And overall, since our $5.70 price, we are down roughly 86%, as you can see here on the chart. And this has to do with the buy and sell volume. I already went over this in my last video and I told you should not only look at the buy and sell volume, that this is equal, you should look at what is the ILC doing. Because if we jump over to the DAP, we can see on the page that the ILC is currently sitting at roughly 150,000 BUSD. And when I did my last update video around a week ago, this is my German video right here, but this was recorded close before I recorded my English video, the ILC reserves were sitting at 220,000. So we lost around 70,000 BUSD in those 7 days, so around 10,000 BUSD every single day. And those were the 10,000 BUSD which were shown right here in the buy volume, why we were able to hold the price at around $1. And now I listened to the podcast yesterday. They announced that today will the on-ramp and also the air card released. But of course, right now, as the chart looks like, you can't go into marketing calls to onboard new people because realistically, nobody will join right now. At least I wouldn't join if I see a chart like this and we have to wait again until we see a new floor price. This could be at 50 cents, this could be at 25 cents, whenever this level can be sustained and the ILC is confident that it has enough funds to be not drained in a few days. As you already saw, my current statistics look still very similar. I cashed out over the last couple days because I anticipated that we will drop in price. That's why my CWR rate is that low. I already got the warning sign that I will drop to 0.5% if I withdrew another time. Of course, I won't do that. But yeah, I cashed out for that $1 ARK price because I anticipated that the price will go lower with the ILC reserves going down that fast. My principal balance is sitting at around 5,000 ARK token, and now we have to see where the new floor price is. The last thing I wanted to show you are the current statistics. So this is the graphic of the ILC. This one dropped from around the end of May to right now at a very fast rate. We are now sitting, as I already showed you, at 150,000 BUSD and have now to protect the liquidity reserve again until we see a new price that's sustainable. We also saw over the last days that not many new investors were onboarded. In the peak it was like 9 right here, so since around the beginning of June then you can see 2, 3 and 6 new investors, and that's nothing compared to what we need to bring in new capital to sustain a price, because the fees of those products won't be enough. They have to onboard new people, otherwise the ARK will die or we will end up at a price which will be way lower than, well, probably 5 cent, 1 cent, I don't know, in the future. So I'm really looking forward for the launch of the products today. I will, of course, if I'm able, join the podcast, which I would suggest you also join that podcast. At least join in, listen to the first 10 to 20 minutes because all updates will be announced over there. Podcast is always taking place at around 8:15 UTC every single day, and there you get all the newest information. So that's the current state of the ARK. Price wise, of course, it doesn't look good, so we need those utility products, we need those fees, and we need to onboard new people, and I think that's their goal for the upcoming days and weeks. If you don't want to miss updates on ARK Finance, you might want to subscribe to my channel. I bring those updates on ARK at least once a week and on other projects almost on a daily basis. If you like today's update, would be great if you can hit the like button. That's it. Thanks for watching and let's get this crypto.